Approaching 6:42 on your Wednesday morning. Good Wednesday. I'm meteorologist Scott Sumner, filling in for Jonathan. As you see here, Hampton, 36 degrees. That's one of the cooler locales. Everybody else is situated pretty much into the 40s. Jessup at 41, Glenville at 40, Tybee Island at 42, Savannah at 43 degrees. Now, where will that temperature go in Savannah? Well, rise a couple more degrees to the middle 40s at 9, getting into the lower to middle 50s by noon. Upper 50s to 60-degree temperatures by 3 p.m. And notice the cloud coverage starts to wane just a little bit. We see more and more sunshine as we go throughout each passing hour until we get to mostly clear skies overnight tonight at 7 o'clock, and temperature falling at 48 degrees. You can see quite nicely satellite view here, still holding on to some clouds around, and you'll notice a well-defined arc of clouds sitting off to the south of us. That was that front that moved through on Monday, brought us some rain Monday night and into early on Tuesday. Now we have another front to move on through. Today we get high pressure. That high is going to give us the sunshine. That's going to move out to sea. Then a secondary front moves through, cold front will move through Thursday night. Now this front, unlike Monday's front, is going to come through on the dry side. Once that passes through the area, we'll have another area of high pressure to build on in for the end of the week on Friday. Bring in northerly winds and cooler temperatures. I think Friday is going to be very much like today, and tomorrow in between will be just a little bit warmer, and you'll see that 7-day in a second. So your forecast for today: Baxley at 60, Alma at 62, Reidsville coming in at 60 degrees, Ludowici at 62, Darien at 60, Claxton 61, and same for Pembroke too, 61 degrees there. Pooler 61, Savannah 61, Ridgeland at 60, Beaufort at 60, and Hilton Head Island coming in at 58 degrees. We'll see those numbers fall back down to the upper 30s to the lower to middle 40s. Clear and chilly, near normal lows though. Having said that, as the average low temperature for this time should be around 40 degrees. Now, if you're heading out to the Hilton Head Dove Street Festival of Lights here, it will run through Saturday, December 31st. Tonight, mostly clear, 51 degrees around 6 p.m. Need a jacket, though, in the mid-evening, and clear and cool by the time it all ends at 10 p.m. Here is a look at that 7-day forecast. So, like I said, around 60, 61 degrees for today. We warm up tomorrow, 68 degrees. Then we fall back a couple of degrees to 60 on Friday. Notice here, though, we're staying dry all 3 days as we round out this week. And into Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, also dry as it stands now. The latest computer model runs both the GFS and the European models are keeping us dry with high pressure and warming us up with a ridge of high pressure, 70 and 75 degrees. So it'll be a very pleasant Christmas day itself. And then after Christmas, Monday and Tuesday, still looking dry at this point in time, although we'll bring in more clouds and temperatures will still be mild to the middle and upper 70s.